Hello Gen Chem class. This video is for week 4, group B. So this week you get to come into the lab and you're going to be doing trace contamination. So in this experiment, the basic idea is to explore various kinds of error that happens in all experiments. So you're going to explore 4 different hypotheses by doing that. There is a pre-lab video that you need to watch, and you also want to check the procedure before you go to lab for any other links that may help you finish the experiment faster. You're going to have to go to the oven for this one, so be sure to wait for your professor to tell you that you can go over there, and wait again to go retrieve them until you have permission from the instructor. It's important that students are remaining socially distant and not wandering around the lab, because then our technicians have to sterilize everywhere you go. Other than that, you have a pre-lab for trace contamination, so be sure to do that before your lab starts. You should look in the procedure for the 3 links besides the pre-lab that have skills videos so that you are ready to go when you get to lab. Now, also, if you did not finish your measurements from experiment 3, the significant figures experiment, you should have time at the end of this experiment to do that. The materials will be available to you. Again, that's really predicated on having completed the pre-lab for experiment 3, so you have a plan for your dilutions if you have not done those. And you also want to watch all the videos in experiment 3 that go over how to use the equipment. So those I collected at the bottom where the pre-lab is at. There's, I think, 5 or 6 videos there. Be prepared ahead of time by taking notes and being sure you understand how to use the equipment before you get to lab. Be sure you're keeping up with your due dates. At this point in the semester, you probably have some lab reports and such coming due, so make sure to follow along in your group assignment folder so you know that you're making all the due dates as needed.